Welcome back to the Learn Tech channel, where every day we try to learn something new. Now today is going to be a short video. All I want to show you is how to make this bigger, how to zoom in on it. Because as you can see here, all this space is not being utilized. Yes, you can use other fields and stretch them out, but they don't need to have all this room. So we'll move that back in. Now if we go down here, this is your zoom slider. And if you go right here to where it says 100%, click on it. You can actually adjust it right here. So we could say 150 and then hit OK. That will zoom it in for us. Or you can use the slider, zoom in and out. You also have a minus button to zoom out and a plus button to zoom in. Now to me this looks a lot better. It gives you a lot more working room and it fills up the area so you can see what you're doing. And that's it for this quick little video. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Also, leave a like and a comment. It really helps the channel. Thank you very much.